Fox body time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Kind of a special one too, something you don't see every day. 1990 Ford Mustang ASC converted McLaren convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 57,211 on the odometer. 5-liter V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the ASC McLaren badging. Oxford white in color, crystal blue, leather interior with McLaren seats, blue fabric top. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the top up, top down, engine bay, interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on Cobra style 5-spoke chrome wheels. Radial tires. Technician did note plenty of tread on the tires. They are getting up there in age though, date code 2014, just so you're aware of that. Paint has a few imperfections. We'll kind of try to point out as we go around. Not bad. Little spot there in the front fascia. You can see it has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong. This car has a good look. Passenger side, as you can see, not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. I'll also show you the top being folded up, folded down. We're going to start it up in a bit. Let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. There's a good look at those bucket seats. Center console. This is limited edition 291 in the sequential number of McLarens. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Of course, dual exhaust in the rear. You would have a trunk in this one, so you do have some storage. You can also see the rear fascia, still the McLaren correct fascia. A little bit of spider webbing, kind of cracking in the clear, if you can see that touch-up spot there. If you like Fox bodies, or maybe just specialty Mustangs, or Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. There's a couple really cool ones in the wings that I'll be doing in a few days. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. There's a touch-up spot down here. And you'll be able to see that in the underside pics also. And you'll be able to see the floor pans, everything from the underside of the car. But no major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the driver's side here. Something I want to mention, I will show you this top going up and down like I said, but in these two cubbies, there's one here and one here, there's mechanical releases for the tonneau and for the trunk. I believe the tonneau is on the passenger side and the trunk is over here on the driver's side. And that tonneau cover will release, convertible tops underneath there. Very simple to do. I'll show you that here in just a bit. We'll also start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a peek at this interior. See more of the McLaren badging from ASC. Power windows, power locks. So leather bucket seats, a little bit of wear in the bolster over here and in the piping. Of course, cruise control, AM FM cassette player. Did have the radio working, that is stock. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 57,211. All right, as you can see, all the lights went off as far as the airbag. There's no warning indicators. Check engine soon. Gauges are working. Sorry, it's a little tough to get that into focus. There you go. Top of the dash, nice shape. Nice sounding car too. Let's get this hood popped. I want to show you that in a bit. Door closes nicely. All right, let's listen. Nice deep throaty exhaust note, no doubt about that. Let me see if I can get this hood one-handed. It does have hood struts on it, so let me try that. There we go. Look at this red line hood struts, always nice in a Mustang rather than prop rod. Hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. There it is, that 5 liter. AC has been converted to the 134A. And it does blow cold. And we also have power steering, power brakes. A different cold air intake to it. Smooth runner, sounds good, looks good underneath there. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and shows. Even all Ford and Mustang shows. Because like I said, you just don't see these as often. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me go ahead and get this convertible top up. We're going to check out the condition of that, show you how it folds back down. And once again, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top folded up, latched down, so nice tight fit above the windshield. Blue fabric. Just a couple spots, just a little discoloration from being folded down. It's not a rip, tear, or hole or anything. Rear window clear. There is a little spot where it was repaired. Right here, I got a close-up in the still pictures too. It just was cracked and it's glued. Actually, pretty nice job considering. It's going to serve its purpose just fine, keeping you dry. And then kind of the same as the other side, and it's more of just a discoloration. It's not a rip, tear, hole or anything. There you go. Like I said, you need it to keep you out of the sun, keep you out of a shower. It will do its job just fine. I'll show it being folded back into the storage compartment also. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1990 Ford Mustang McLaren ASC conversion. Clean Carfax, a little over 57,000 original miles is all. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a special 1990 Mustang that has been modified by ASC McLaren. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Stereo is working as it should. A little more performance out of this Mustang than you would normally get thanks to McLaren. Very smooth and fun acceleration in this Mustang. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it easy to drive. Cruise control works on this car. The AC blows cold as well. On our gauges, they're all in the normal range. The oil pressure a little less than half on the gauge, the battery right in the middle, the temperature right in the middle, and the fuel gauge a little above half. Tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Horn also working. It's funny how that works with sounds. If you had a Mustang of this era, you remember that horn? Limited edition number by McLaren right on the dash. Comfortable leather bucket seats, also emblazoned with McLaren's logo. Brakes are very effective. This car corners very well. Stays pretty flat in the corners. And the kickdown works on the automatic transmission. Our performance car, a little more advanced than your average Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures of this ASC McLaren 1990 Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.